All women want to be liked and desired by men. Maybe you've asked friends what the formula is and they've probably confused you even more. Well, now's the time to find out the 3 most important things about how to make any man chase you. Number 1. Be confident. Confidence is a trait that is highly valued in both men and women, and it is a key factor in attracting a potential partner. A confident woman is one who possesses a sense of self-assurance and belief in her abilities and worth, which can make her more attractive to a man. Confidence is an attractive trait because it signals to a potential partner that the woman is self-assured, independent, and comfortable in her own skin. One aspect of confidence that can make a woman more attractive to a man is her ability to be self-assured. A woman who is comfortable with who she is and knows her own worth is less likely to be swayed by others' opinions or expectations. This allows her to trust her own instincts and make decisions that align with her values and goals, which can be very attractive to a man looking for a partner who is secure in herself. Physical confidence is another factor that can make a woman more attractive to a man. A woman who takes care of herself and presents herself well is likely to be more attractive to a man than someone who neglects their appearance. This doesn't mean that a woman should be overly made up or have a perfect body, but it does mean that she should take care of herself, dress well, and feel comfortable in her own skin. Confidence in conversation and social interaction is also a key factor in attracting a man. A woman who is able to hold conversation, express herself clearly, and make others feel comfortable can be very attractive. This is because a man is looking for a partner who's able to communicate effectively and comfortably, which can lead to a deeper emotional connection. Emotional resilience is also important when it comes to attracting a man. A woman who is able to handle stress and bounce back from setbacks can be very attractive because it signals to a man that she can handle the ups and downs of life. This can make him feel more secure in the relationship and create a sense of stability. In conclusion, a confident woman can be very attractive to a man because she exudes self-assurance, independence, and poise. A woman who's comfortable in her own skin, takes care of herself, is able to communicate effectively, and handle the stress can be very attractive to a man. It's important to note, however, that confidence is an attractive trait, but not the only one. Having a mutual connection and attraction on both sides is crucial for a healthy relationship, but it's also important to keep in mind that everyone has different preferences, and no single formula will guarantee that a man will be attracted to a particular woman. Thank you for hitting that like and subscribe button. The information on our channel makes you 10 steps ahead of anyone. Now, let's continue with number 2. Be feminine. Femininity is a complex and multifaceted concept that can mean different things to different people. Generally, however, femininity refers to a set of traits and characteristics that are traditionally associated with women, such as being gentle, nurturing, and emotionally expressive. In the context of a romantic relationship, femininity can play an important role in how a woman interacts with her partner and how she is perceived by him. One way a woman can express her femininity in a relationship is through her communication style. Women tend to use more emotional and expressive language than men, and using this type of language can make a woman appear more feminine to her partner. For example, expressing her emotions, using a soft tone of voice, and being attentive and empathetic when her partner is talking can all help to create a sense of emotional connection between the two of them. Another way women can express their femininity is through their appearance. A woman who takes care of her appearance and dresses in a way that makes her feel beautiful and feminine can be very attractive to a man. This doesn't mean that a woman has to conform to traditional gender-based fashion expectations, but she should dress in a way that makes her feel confident and comfortable. A woman's roles and responsibilities in the relationship can also be an expression of femininity. Traditionally, women have been expected to take care of the home and family, and this can be a source of femininity for a woman. Cooking a nice meal, keeping the house clean, and taking care of her partner and children can be seen as very feminine and nurturing actions. Femininity can also be expressed through women's sexuality and sensuality. A woman who is comfortable in expressing her sensual and sexual side can be very attractive to a man. This includes, but not limited to, being comfortable in her own skin, expressing herself sexually, and expressing her desires. It's important to note that femininity can be expressed in many ways, and there's no one-size-fits-all definition to it. Also, femininity is not limited to gender. It can be expressed by anyone, regardless of gender identity. In conclusion, femininity can be expressed through a variety of traits and characteristics, such as communication style, appearance, roles and responsibilities in the relationship, sensuality, and sexuality. A woman who feels comfortable expressing her femininity in a way that feels authentic to her can be very attractive to a man. It's important to remember that femininity is a personal trait, and everyone expresses it differently, and that everyone has different preferences when it comes to femininity. It's important to focus on being true to yourself, rather than trying to conform to certain ideals. Number 3. Being independent. Being independent is a key trait for a woman in a romantic relationship. It means having a strong sense of self, being self-reliant, maintaining one's interests and hobbies, and having financial independence. An independent woman is able to maintain her own identity and goals, while still being in a partnership with a man. This trait allows her to navigate through the relationship with confidence and assertiveness. Maintaining personal interests and hobbies is a great way for a woman to express her independence in a relationship. It allows her to have a sense of self outside their partnership and continue to grow and develop as an individual. Having her own friends and social circle can help a woman maintain her independence in the relationship. A woman who is able to support herself financially and manages her own finances ensures that she's not dependent on her partner for her financial well-being. This can help to ensure that she has control over her own life and can make decisions that align with her values and goals. Boundary setting is also an important aspect of being independent. An independent woman is able to assert her own needs and wants and is able to communicate them effectively. She does not compromise her values or beliefs to please others, and this helps to ensure that she's not taken advantage of and that she's able to maintain her independence in the relationship. Having a strong sense of self-worth and self-esteem are also important components of being independent. A woman who values herself and trusts her own instincts is less likely to be swayed by others' opinions or expectations. It's important to note that being independent does not mean that a woman should not be in a partnership, or that a woman should not rely on her partner for support or help. Independence does not mean isolation or rejection of help. It means being self-reliant and being able to take care of oneself, while still being able to have a healthy, supportive relationship with a man. Well, ladies and probably gentlemen, I hope all that information helped you. Write in the comments what topic we should cover next. Thank you for watching, take care, and till next time.